Missing number parts, part 2 with Teacher Farah.
Missing addends, finding a missing part. What is a missing part? This is a part-whole model. The top shows the whole, or the total. The bottom shows the two parts that add together to make the whole. So in this problem, it shows that we have 4 plus something equals 10. Here's one you can try on your own. My little sister got 3 pink balloons at the fair. Then she got some more yellow balloons. Now she has 5 balloons in all. How many are yellow? So what is the whole? 5. We know that there are 5 in all. And what part do we know? We know that 3 of the balloons are pink. We need to figure out how many are yellow. Do you know the answer? Let's see. I know she has 5 balloons. I know 3 are pink. So 3 plus something equals 5. Or 5 minus 3 equals something. What is it? Did you say 2? If so, you're right. So let's review. If you have a problem where you know the whole, you know a part, and you need to figure out the missing part, you can add to find the answer by counting up. Or you can take the whole, subtract the part that you know, and you'll end up with the missing part. Great job! Keep practicing these problems and you'll be a missing part expert in no time.
Children, now let's redo the exercise together. Now you see, I have a whole number of 3. And in this part, I have the number 1. What is the missing number part here? Yes, 2. 1 and 2 make a whole 3. How about this one, children? Now I have a whole of number 2. And in this part, I have number 2 also. What is the missing number part here? Yes, 0. 2 and 0 make a whole of 2. Okay, we try another example. This is a whole number of 2. And in this part, I have number 1. What is the missing number parts here? Yes, 1. 1 and 1 make a whole